Hey guys, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. So today's video is a pre-recorded video. I did ask if you guys wanted to see it and you said yes, so I hope you enjoy, and yeah, let's get into the video. So I pre-recorded this a while ago, so there's already a voiceover, but today we are going to be making the resin palette out of Polygel. So you can get these resin plates off of AliExpress, Amazon, eBay, you name it. They're on there. And these are great, of course, for like putting your gel polish on to do nail art and stuff. But basically, I wanted to just make my own. So these are the items that I use and the products that I use today. And I also use a plastic baggy thing. And I use my little tub to mix up some colours. So I mixed the Modelones blue and what I thought was red. It looks red, it was the orange and I didn't realise, and then I added white and it turned this grey colour. I should have mixed these two colours and then added the white, that was my mistake. So because they were the wrong colours, I added a tiny bit more blue in with the grey colour and turned it into like this cool undertoned like greyish blue. And it was a nice colour. I actually thought, oh, I could use this colour on my nails. But I used it for the palette. So anyway, I mixed them all together. And once I was happy with the colour, you can do any colour you like. I was going to do, it was meant to come out like a lilac-y purple. That was my idea, but we went with the greyish blue. So anyway, once that was done, I then took my plastic baggie and I applied the Lucky Fine Clear Polygel. Basically, I don't really like the Lucky Fine Clear Polygel, so I thought, why not just use it in this set? I smudged the bag by accident. I didn't realise that that was like paint. Anyway, so I used the rest of the Lucky Fine Clear. I put a big dollop of this onto the paper. And I just smooth it out and flatten it and just create like a shape. It doesn't have to be a specific shape. Words do not come out of my mouth properly, ever. So yeah, I just made it all flat and I just pulled it around and stuff like that. And then once that was done and I was happy with the sort of shape that I went for, I then added the greyish blue toned Polygel and marbled it with the spatula tool. I then went in with a little bit of white and of course created more of a marble effect again. It was pretty easy and I just patted and moved it around just to make sure that it was all tidy and clean. I did need to use another tool here to get it all off of the scraper. It is a bit messy, so I would put kitchen roll down and definitely use the paper bag because obviously you can peel it off. So then once I'd done this, I did cure in my lamp for 60 seconds and then I flipped it over and I cured it for another 60 seconds and I made sure that it was all cured all the way through before taking it out and cleaning off the sticky tacky layer with some rubbing alcohol. It of course needed extra curing purely because it was thicker than like a nail. And once I was done with that, I then no, I'll explain the rest when we get this. I'm going to put some music on whilst we do the rest of this, and I'll be back in a second, guys. So once that was started curing in the lamp, I then took my ink bottle. This is just an ink and it's got like a thick lid. And I just took the rest of that Polygel, because there was still quite a lot of it, to make a ring with. This ring did not turn out great, but I wasn't really bothered about the ring. It was more the palette itself. So basically I just stuck this onto the actual lid and then I used my slip solution and I patted it around and shaped it to make a ring shape. It was a bit runny, but I think it's because there was just so many different polygels and it was very thick. Of course you can make it a lot thinner. I just didn't want any waste, basically. So I do make sure that one side is flat so that I can file it down and secure it underneath the resin plate. But once I was happy with the shape sort of thing, I cured in my nail lamp for 60 seconds, and then but because obviously it's thick, I had to turn the bottle over and cure for a further 60 seconds before taking out the lamp and removing it from the bottle lid. Then I put it back in for a further 60 seconds to make sure the inside was cured as well, because you want the gel to be cured all the way through. And yeah, that was pretty easy. So I'm just going to let you watch this bit and I'll be back in a second, guys. So once everything was cured, I do take it out of the nail lamp and I do trim around the sides, like these little bits that are hanging off. Of course, cleaning it off with some alcohol, because obviously you want to take off that sticky tacky layer. I then went in with my hand file and I just softened up the edges and stuff like that. The top was pretty smooth, so I wasn't too bothered by it. Here is that ring. Like I said, it didn't turn out amazing. But it was fine. So then, yeah, once I had done the filing and the tidying up around the edges, I went in then with the top coat and I painted over the top for like an even layer, not too thick, and around the ring. I do leave it all in, you'll see what I mean. I cure again for 60 seconds and then I go in with my file and I file the flat edge that I made on the ring and also on the back of the resin palette. Just so there was smoothness. I did also go in with some glitter gel polish. I believe it was silver. It's the silver one. I can't remember what it's called, but it's from the 16-piece Modelones gel polish of the summer collection off of Amazon. I went around the edges with that just to give it like a bit more detail, and of course cured that for 60 seconds before going in with the top coat. Sorry, that was probably confusing. I leave it all in so you can see what I mean. And then once I was done, I went in with some builder gel on the filing of the underneath of the resin palette and the ring. I applied an even, like a decent amount, not like thick but not too thin, and then I held it in place and cured for 60 seconds and secured it onto the back. And that was pretty much it then, guys. It was really easy to do and it was really fun, and now I've got my own little like palette that I can stick on my finger so that when I'm doing nail art I can just like go back and forth from my finger, and I can also hold it out of the way of the lamp, because I am terrible for leaving my resin palette right in front of the lamp and letting my gel cure. It's an honest mistake and I'm sure a lot of people do it. Because you don't think, do you? But anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave it here whilst you guys watch the rest. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hey guys, so it's me from the future. Nah, nah, it's present me. So this video, I'm just linking my Instagram there. I'm still talking through the actual voiceover, but it was boring. So I just wanted to jump in here just to say this is a very old video that I recorded a while ago, but I did ask on my previous video if you guys wanted to see it because I did show it in the video and a few of you did say yes. So this is why I'm uploading the video now. I think I'd done this back in like June, like May or June, like it was a long time. So yeah, could probably make a better one by now. But yeah, I just wanted to share it, like I said, because you guys wanted to see it. And I really wanted to give you guys a big thank you for all the positive and amazing comments about in my last video when I said that someone complained about my voice. Just so you know, it didn't upset me. I take negativity on the chin, like it doesn't bother me, because you're always going to find someone negative, and you know, but I did want to say a big thank you. You guys are absolutely amazing and so supportive, and I really couldn't ask for better subscribers. And well, you guys are family, you know, we're the nail family. But yeah, I just want to say a big thank you for that, because you are amazing. But yeah, this it was really easy to do, and if you do recreate this idea, I know a lot of people have done like rings and stuff in the past, so I wanted to just make a little mini palette. That was the gist of it, basically. So yeah, it's a bit of fun and it was a bit different, but it's still a nail product, so yeah. But I do hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Of course, you do not have to, but I love it when you guys do. Let me know down in the comments what you actually think and if you guys are going to recreate it or try something different. And if you do, tag me in your posts and stuff on Instagram because I'd love to see it. But yeah, like I said, I hope you enjoyed and I hope you're all having a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. Keep on smiling, guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.